Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we are back at Pocono and we have a little bit of a change today, is that I put in a rear sway bar. Now typically that's usually good for like front wheel drive or all wheel drive car to rotate, but from the factory these early model year BRZs actually come quite downsized. They're very small rear bar rather, and so I'm going from a 14 millimeter rear to a 16 mil.
Give you guys a little space here.
Yep, thank you.
You're good to go, man. Have fun.
Thank you. Man, these brakes are not bed in yet, and it's going to take a while, I think. I can feel the ABS kicking in really hard, so it's going to be a very boring session. First impressions of the rear bar though, wow, this thing definitely likes to turn now. I can turn the wheel more. Like the actual steering angle feels better. Come on. Come on. Oh, he's one of those. Oh boy, advanced groove, here we go, right? Come on. What are you doing, old man? I'm just assuming he's old, because what the f is that?
So I actually ended up talking to the track night staff that was working there, and they did end up moving him to intermediate. So shout out to those guys for doing a good job. Appreciate it.
I can brake so much later, but I don't have confidence quite yet. That's okay. A little bit of lift off oversteer feels so nice. Just a little bit, you know? So we're running about 3 seconds off pace right now. I just want to make sure the brakes are as good as I think they are. They started to feel good towards that session, but I still do hear ABS kicking in. Also, that Mustang was atrocious. Holy shit. Look at that thing. Porsche looks so cool, man. Even cooler that he's tracking it. now. Kind of love it. Weaving all over the back of the C8, dude. Honestly, he should get a run on this back straight and see what he can do. See if he can create some separation between us. I'm not minding not giving the point by here. Note from that, but that wasn't a Z06, was it? There we go. A little lift off oversteer, very fun. Very fun. Didn't get down on the apex there. I'm gonna lose all that time there because I skid on the exit. Stinky Evo, man. Whew. There goes all that time gain, just a little too much. Funny, I can feel the front plowing now, extra. Wow, that feels a lot better. I'm driving pretty poorly, oops. I'm driving pretty poorly, I still did a 145.2, and then there's traffic here and there. Oh dude, turn off. It's actually not that bad. I'm probably gonna keep the dampers where they are. It feels like it rotates enough and it's stiff, but it doesn't need to do too much, so. Dude, I feel like we're on like a photo shoot. We got a Mustang in the rear, BMW, Miata, and Evo, dude. We're all just in the little highway lanes, you know, mobbing. late there. Jeez. Not the best, but decent. Just carried a little too much speed in front of the Ford. Much better. Trail braking with these brakes feels great. I think I'm off my personal best by like a 10th. Dude, in conclusion, I feel like I'm writing a fucking essay. The rear sway bar feels phenomenal. These front brakes feel, I don't know, they feel like they don't get hot. They feel like textury, crunchy. It's very strange. But yeah, the rear sway bar is definitely a success. Feels so good. I can't wait to get the fronts on. But I think that's all we have for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.
Old people. Good driving.